How's it going, everyone? I'll show you what I've been up to. So, just conversion on this machine, and yeah, I'm just using 1, 2, 3 blocks here because I just don't have enough aluminium to finish this off. But as soon as that comes, I'll get these replaced. Just managed to get the wire motor moving. Totally forgot how to use Mach 3, but that's a learning process on its own. Yeah, I just got temporary setup here, and yeah, I managed to get it going. So yeah, another thing is all the gibs have been fitted with this oil line, and it's obviously not going to be WD-40. I was just using this to test it. Yeah, you can see the WD-40 coming out there, so it'll probably be some sort of oil that I'll be using. Yeah, I don't know, I've managed to get it for the ball screws as well, so I've got it for the X and Y and the ball screws. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there. Yeah, so it's just with a banjo fitting on the top, and then it's just a normal fitting on the bottom. Had to use the banjo one because of clearance. I just wasn't getting enough clearance, so yeah, got that put up. Let's see if we can get that working and show you. Just one sec. Right. Yeah, this is coming out of the ball nuts themselves, so I'm assuming that they'll be getting plenty of oil as well. And I don't think you'll be able to see the one underneath. I've already tightened all that up. Nah, you're not going to be able to see that one, but it is done. It's a double ball nut on that as well. Yeah, apart from that, that's all I've done so far. Get the Z and X connected up soon enough. Motor's here ready to go. It's just, I don't know why, but on the ones that you buy from the UK, they just haven't got, they have these screwed on the ends, and all the ones that I've seen in online in America, really, it is this is all built into one. Yeah, so I don't know. So according to the plans, this my ball screw was a bit too long, so I've got 18 mil of a gap. So I'm making some plates like this. I'll probably just copy that and make 2 10mm plates for either side. And yeah, that's it. Small machine's going well. Just had to make some spaces for someone I know. But yeah, that's everything. I'll keep you updated. I'll just show you the electronics quickly. So I'm using a UC300 motion controller and just a breakout board that I got from, where was it? cnc4u.co.uk. Yeah, right, I'll keep you all updated.